Hey, what's up guys, Miguel here. Quick video. This video is on this Dewalt Impact. This is the 20 volt max. Looking for a screw to fit the belt clip. It's gonna be an M3 dash 0.5. I'm using a 10 millimeter length for this 3D printed bit holder that we just made. I just made a video for Milwaukee, and today we're doing Dewalt, and pretty much gets it nice and tight, and that's what the bit holder looks like on the Dewalt Impact. So it doesn't really fit on the other side because on the other side it has this little bump right there. So I had to move the belt clip to the other side and then put the bit holder on this side, and then when I clip it on my belt or my pocket, it's just gonna have to be like that instead of the other way around. I'm actually really more used to it being the other way around, but if it's just gonna be on your belt, then I guess it's fine too. It's really more important that I found the right screw for this. Able to make a video to share with you guys if you guys were looking for the corresponding screw that goes into the belt clip. It is an M3-0.5 10 millimeter, or you could go with a 6 millimeter or an 8 millimeter, depending on the space that you needed for your 3D printed bit holder. For this particular application, it had to be the 10 millimeter length. Hope the video was helpful. Thanks for watching.